Hey guys, it's Amar, and this is the third video I'm recording today. And this is just a general video. I don't have anything specific to say, but I just want to talk. I just want to say that COVID has been really hard. Um, COVID has been really hard on me, and it's affected a lot of things in life. It's affected my work. It's affected everything I love. It's been really hard. It's been one of the hardest periods of my life. I don't generally even share all these things because who wants to share your problems with others? But the thing is, what the hell? It's my channel. I can say whatever I want. So I just want to say that COVID has been hard. If COVID has been hard for you also, you have company. It's been really hard, man. April 2020 is March 2020. 25th March 2020 is when the lockdown started. I remember 25th March 2020. I had a show. I do happiness workshops, so I wrote a book called Happiness in Your Skin, and I had a happiness workshop scheduled in the following week, in that week or in the following week, the first week of April 2020, and that workshop got cancelled because of the lockdown, because somebody said it's not safe and there's being a lockdown, and that workshop got cancelled. After that, there were comedy shows, queries, they stopped coming for a while, and there was scare of COVID all over the country. People started getting COVID. Till September we didn't even know what was happening. The cases were rising, and there was a lockdown. It's been really hard to stay inside house. I've been an outdoor person all my life, and I've been forced to stay inside. All my work, be it comedy shows, be it workshops, be it talks that I delivered in colleges or corporates, all of that happened in the open. There were people had to congregate. I do some marketing consulting work that used to happen in public. That's thankfully moved online this year. But just staying home, it's been so hard. I can't go to the gym. I love going to the gym. I've been a runner most of my life. I've run one full marathon. I've run over 10 half marathons. I can't run anymore. I used to run the whole of last year, but this year in April I got COVID in the second wave, and after that I've even stopped running. In March I started going to the gym for like 2 weeks. I went to the gym, and then the second wave started, and gyms got shut again. Gyms are open, but then I stopped going, and gyms got shut later again. So I can't go to the gym. I can't do comedy. I can't do workshops. I can't do write. I've been writing. I can't speak in colleges and corporates like I used to. I can't meet people outside. I can't work from cafes or co-working spaces, which I used to. COVID has really blocked life in so many ways. It's been hard financially. It's been hard emotionally. It's been hard psychologically. It's been really fucking hard. Alright, so if you think I struggle to make these videos sometimes because it's hard to just get energy to make videos. I've been wanting to make a vlog for a long time, and I recorded like 2 or 3 vlogs, but I just can't get the energy, the enthusiasm, because the whole point is the vlog should make people happy also, and I would only be able to make people happy if I look happy. If I'm feeling happy inside, right? Because only happy people can make other people happy. If you're feeling miserable inside because you can't do so many things that COVID is blocked for you, you just can't make other people happy. Only happy people can make others happy. So it's been hard. To make these videos. Even the 2 videos that I make on a daily basis, it takes a lot of internal strength to make these videos. Sometimes I just can't get an internal strength to get on camera and talk, because eventually I'm doing thought of the day. I'm trying to motivate people to learn something. I'm reading my books, trying to make people happy through my writing work, the books that I've written. But it's hard. It's really hard to even make those 2 videos because they can't get the internal strength to talk, to get in front of the camera and talk. So it's hard. If it's hard for you, it's quite hard, right? People who aren't jobs, they have a consistent schedule. People like me who work for them, would work for themselves. A lot of people who started restaurants, started businesses in 2019, early 2020, their life got devastated because of COVID, right? Thankfully, I've survived because of savings and work that I've done, and so. But a lot of people have struggled even beyond me. A lot of people. A friend I know, she's a comedian and she's in a hospital right now. She's been in a hospital for the last 3 months. 4 million people have lost their lives. That's the reported estimate. Maybe more people have lost their lives. It's been really hard. COVID has been fucking really hard. So, yeah. So if you think sometimes I lack energy when I'm making these videos, I'm sorry. I just want to apologize because I do lack energy sometimes because I find it very hard to find the internal strength to get on camera and talk. I really want to make you guys happy. Okay, that's the reason I'm doing a thought of the day, so that we can learn something. I'm reading my books, the poetry series. I'll read the rest of. This is the third book I'm reading. I have 4 more books to read. Right, every book, all of my work is intended to make other people happy, to make the world a happier place. So sometimes you think I lack energy while you see me in these videos. I'm sorry, I just apologize because it's been hard. Alright, so I'll continue making these videos. Just wanted to say this, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.